Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's it going? Uh, Thank you for joining us. Today is January 7th, 2021. I'm here with my buddy Mandeep. Mandeep, what's happening? How's it going?
Good, buddy. Good. How's everyone?
Everyone is, we're good, we're good. It's going to be an interesting day today. Uh, the all the markets are up today. NASDAQ being the leader so far in the futures, the future
Mhm.
markets. It should be an interesting day today. Yesterday, the big news was the riots happening at the U.S. Capitol, and we're just kind of sitting here and waiting for the Senate was in there and the House was in there to basically certify Biden's win. They ended up doing that later in the evening, so that Biden will be our president January 20th. Um, it's not known if um, President Trump will be at the inauguration, but we'll see. Uh, a lot of his cabinet members, based on the actions that has happened, they are talking about leaving or resigning. So we've already seen a couple of people resign, and there's been chirpings about using the 25th Amendment and to invoke the 25th. And if that happens, basically that will put. I mean, he only has 14 days left in his presidency. He has shown, in my opinion, that he is, he's basically a lame duck president at this point. So um, he's showing that doesn't really care anymore. So I think they're gonna do something about it. I don't know what they're gonna do. That's my thing. Um, the other thing that is in the news, let's kind sorry guys, sorry about that. I accidentally clicked something and got booted off. So let me re-share my screen. So today is earnings day. Um, Today, well, we had a couple of earnings come out. Best Buy, I'm sorry, Bed Bath and Beyond and Walgreens were both reported. I might put on a play today for to do what they call an implied volatility crush. So typically, when binary events happen like earnings, the implied volatility typically increases and thus ballooning option prices. As option sellers, we want to see the option prices contract. So we want to sell high, buy it back low, right? It's the opposite. It's the same thing as buying low, selling high, but we're going to be selling. We're going to be doing the selling first and then buying the back later. So it's a different animal. And there's the opening bell for us. As you can see, that option price has basically deteriorated. That 21, it was at $1.17. And let's see what we can get. Let's see, Bed Bath and Beyond is down 15%. Markets are a little bit wide to do that trade. Let me see here. I do need to put on a Tesla trade. Let me see. Uh, Let me go ahead and see if I get a fill. I did get a fill on that. I do need to put on, let me see if I can put this 19 a little bit close. See if I can get this one. I'll do 1950. Or let's see here. Let's see. See if I get a fill on this. I don't think I will, but you know, this is what happens when you're dealing with pennies. I do need to add some delta hedging for my Tesla trade. See my activity. Let's see here. This is at 345. So I'm down quite a bit on this contract, but if I can get a fill on my delta, let's see, already up $1. Oh, I got filled on that. Let's see here. Let's see here. All right, so I ended up delta hedging a little bit right here on my Tesla trade. Let me take a look at my a couple of iron condors up right now. So let me see here and how much I'm up on this. This one I'm already in the profit on, so I'm not gonna touch this. Really, my main concern is if we go over to the analyze tab here, you can kind of get see what I'm looking at right now. Let's see here. So if you guys go over, if we go over to the curve, you can see this is my big concern right now. So I gotta hedge a little bit to the upside just in case. I'm not gonna I'm gonna see where this leads us, but you know, I ended up buying these two calls right here, the 780 calls, and you know, just to hedge against my iron condor. But if I add back everything into here, if we go back over to, if I add back the other iron condor, I should have profit. Sorry, see here. Yeah, it should be. I mean, I'll be profitable. You know, it's a little bit messy, the graph. Let's go ahead and
Market's ripping right now.
markets are ripping right now. The number I'm waiting for Tesla is if it can break this 781.30 price. If it can do that, then there we go. That's
What
what
are you looking for?
it to break the 781 mark.
In order for what?
Just that. I mean, that was a pre-market high. So like, you know, let's see what it does. Let's see what it ends up doing. Let's see if it can break the 785 number, and it does. It breaks it. The 785.
Yeah, EB's looking strong today.
EV is looking strong. Speaking of EVs, I gotta add add something to my Neo real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and close this out right now. See if I can get. I got filled on that. I ended up just closing it out for 1070 profit, $1,070 on Tesla. It may go up, it may shoot up. I'm gonna go ahead and roll my puts real quick, and just to bring in additional credit. I gotta do it on the table side because I think I want to do. It's a little bit aggressive. But you know what? It's a. Here we go. It's like I'm wondering why I can't find it. 82 cents. Which is going to bring in just an additional credit for me for the time being. Mid showing 97 cents, so I should get filled on this soon. Let's look at Fubu's good. Booking is in the green today. Oh, I did this. I did this BBY trade. Looks like this is a Bath and Beyond trade. Just an implied volatility crash. Really just gonna try to go after like 3 pennies if I can. I'll see if I can try to get 4 pennies out of it. So I'm gonna watch this one. Let's take a look at Tesla. Let's see here. Apple is up 1.62%. Shopify is up about 3%.
You have something on Shop?
I do actually. I do. I opened up a 11:35 short call, 2 positions, but you know, worst comes to worst, I can roll it. I gotta add something to the Neo trade, and Neo is just ripping right now. Ripping. I think I'm gonna just do. Should no, I don't know if I want to do 51. I'll do 49, just to add back in. And let me see if I can. I'm just gonna put it in for 30 cents. If I can get a little bit of retracement down, I'll be fine with it. Thinking about rolling this contract, but I don't think I can. I can. It's just 2-cent credit now. You know, can. It has to come down a little bit for me to even think about rolling it. So let's see here. See if the NAS is gonna come down a little bit. SPX is at 37.80. I can get everything's just pretty high, pretty high. Now let me look at my other. other stuff real quick. Market is 790. 790 is where Tesla's at right now.
Wow.
This thing looks like it's gonna break one. It wants to break 800, huh?
Hopefully Zoom can go up a bit more.
Yeah, let's see. Let's take a look at Zoom. Zoom's at 352.50. Thing is, the ES charges. The S&Ps are looking like they're going up. It's at 83 now. Yeah, why did Tesla had another price upgrade, huh? Price target upgrade, but it only, I mean, still below the current stock price of 420. Yeah.
Wow. From 339 to 700. RBC Capital.
The 700, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, let's see. Let's see. It's just price targets are all over the place, you know how it is. It is. It's all over the place for price target. Let's see here. Tesla. What do you have on Tesla, by the way? I didn't even. I guess I forgot to
I
check.
have just 3 short puts and then everything else is short position.
Okay. 3 short puts. I ended up opening up 13 short puts at the open. Near one like closed down yesterday, but this thing just keeps going up. I mean, I don't know what to say. I'm hoping it breathes a little bit because it affects my P&L every day.
Mm-hmm.
Even though like I'm collecting on the daily premium on the puts that I put on. Like I sold this one for $396. It's already down. You know, I'm already up $1,500 on it on this contract. So, but it looks like it's starting to breathe a little bit. Let's look at my Neo. Let's see if this is actually my Neo. It's a profit today. Yeah, if I get my thing is my Iron Condor, I need to get below 785. 785 is where I need Tesla to drop down to by tomorrow. You know, I mean, it's had this week alone. How much has it come up? Tesla.
Did it start off at 700 or is it?
I don't
I can't remember.
Let me look at it. Let me look at the 5-day chart. It was at 700, yeah, on. So it's had 12.5% run up to this week. So it has had a big move up. It's had a big move up today. There we go. We see a little bit of drop in Tesla. Let's see, that was a 6-point drop right there from on the 5-minute chart. Actually, everything is, even Zoom is coming down. Zoom just sold off like 3 points. Let's see here. Let me get this rolled. Here. Let's take a look at my other positions. AL looks good. Apple, let's see, Apple. Apple looks good. Baba's down today. Continuation of yesterday's news. They're looking to delist Baba. So looks like roll
You need
this.
to get rid of your short puts then.
I I did a little bit of research, and it looks like, Baba is probably unlikely, just because there's a lot of U.S. investors that have it. But Apple just sold off almost like 70 cents, which is significant. I'm almost near my 30-cent fill on my Neo short. And bring in $300. There we go. Let's see here. There's just a lot of action today. I mean, the news is like all over the place, right? It's there's news, and there's no clear picture in what exactly the market is trying to do. I mean, we are hitting this. We're basically at all-time highs.
The SPX, yeah.
Yeah. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's look at my other accounts. See how they're doing. see here. All right, SPX is. Oh, you know what? I can't. I was like wondering why the NASDAQ chart isn't moving, and I realized actually it's stuck on a different at the 6 o'clock hour. I was like, yo, why isn't this not moving? Let's see here. Everything looks pretty decent right now. Pretty decent. Just gonna let Tesla sit for a little bit. Let I roll it 27 cents. Yeah, you know, yesterday I could have rolled it too, but whatever. Bookings at 2240. Bookings down a little bit. BBBY. Tesla's ramping back up to 788, 790. You see anything else in your anything to your liking?
Not really, not anything right now.
Yes.
Don't see anything.
It seems like a relatively boring day in the marketplace. Seems
I think everything's already hit its high, kind of, in a way. So I expect maybe a little bit cool off on the SPX. Let's see what happens.
by the end of today.
Yeah.
It doesn't help that Apple is now ramping up, and actually my Shopify order. Let me look at that. 1135. Up 4.3%. Let's see what my roll would be if I roll this contract. If I go to roll it, I'll receive an additional $18 credit. Confirm it signing. Yeah, $18 credit's not bad. $18 credit with 36 bucks. But we'll see. We'll see what comes of it. Looks like Apple is trying to go for 129 today. What was it? What did you call Apple? What was it? What's the new low for it? Was it 115? Is that 120? Is a new.
Yeah, anything close to 125 is a good range to buy.
Yeah, that's what you said, right?
Yeah.
And you said like that's the 125 is the new 115. That's what
Mm.
you had said. That's what you told me a couple of weeks ago or 3 weeks
Yeah.
ago or something like that. So that's the time. So yeah, sounds like it. Uh, let's see here. Let me look at my Tesla puts. 750 puts. They're I'm up 1590. I'm still at that 1566 somewhere. So yesterday I ended up making 3,500, 3471 on the puts. But that's keep in mind Tesla's. I have a short position on guys, so I'm losing more on the short than I'm gaining on the puts. So uh, in actuality, like you know, like it's actually kind of killing me right now. I even have another. I don't know if I told you though. I actually shorted them at 900 too. So I have 900 calls as well expiring
Mm.
in
How many,
February.
how many do you have?
I have three of those, but I'm already down 8,100 on those right now. Today alone, I'm down 3,100. But I'm not necessarily worried about it because just letting time do its thing. Let time just kind of just do its thing right now. So I'm not going to cry about it per se because I mean it has to hit 800 to get to 900. So like it hasn't hit 800 yet. Not to say that it won't, or you just never know with the stock market. The SPX is at 3790. What was its all-time high? I feel like this is all-time high
This
territory.
is it's record high right now.
Record high.
Hmm.
That is, you're right. You're right about it. That is the high. So, guys, we're at the S&P 500 high. What is that? What is the NASDAQ's high? NASDAQ's high needs to go up 44 points. It looks like 40-ish points. We're 40 points away from the NASDAQ all-time high. But NASDAQ's been making all-time highs. They've made it so many times this year. You know, let's look at the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones high. Oh, I think we are in the Dow Jones high right now. 31,000. Never hit 31,000. So slowly but surely. Uh, shoot. Let me. Let's see here. Well, Tesla is uh, coming down a little bit. Fine. I think as far as the trading goes, I don't think I have any other trades really to do today. What about you, Mandeep? Do you have anything that
No, no, I'm not putting anything on today.
it's okay? I think we're just gonna sign off today. What do you think? You think it's a good idea?
Yeah, we can sign off right now.
Okay. All right. Well, again, today, guys, it was a little bit of a shorter session today. There isn't much news per se in the marketplace, but we want to we want to thank you for joining us today, and have a great rest of your Thursday, and then we'll catch you guys tomorrow. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram or Facebook. Um, if you have my cell phone number, some of you who do follow us have my cell phone number. Just you can text me or call me if you have any questions. But other than that, Mandeep, man, always a pleasure, my man. Have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday, and I'll talk to you tomorrow
You
morning.
too, buddy. Take care. Take care,
All
guys.
right.
See
All
ya.
right. Have a good one, guys. Bye bye.